Hi Barbados, I am leading seaman Nicholas Sherry from the Barbados Coast Guard, and today I'll be here to talk to you about the international regulations for prevention of collision at sea, also known as rules of the road or collision regulations. These rules were implemented to ensure that vessel operators will know how to operate their vessels safely with consistency while operating at sea. Today I'll be explaining rule number 14, which speaks to head-on situations and the measures taken to avoid collision at sea. The rule states that when two vessels are approaching on reciprocal or near reciprocal courses, both shall auto course to starboard so that they will pass port side of each other. Thank you for your attention. I am leading seaman Nicholas Sherry, and from us here at the Barbados Coast Guard, fair winds and following seas.